Good morning, children. In previous class, I explained you computer history and classification. I hope you studied very well. In this class, I am going to explain you PowerPoint views and slide masters. Chapter 2, MS PowerPoint views, master views, slide master. Slide master view enables you to modify the slide layout and appearance of the slides in the presentation. Editing the slide master affects every slide, including the newly added slides in the presentation. The steps to use slide master are: click on View tab. In Master View, click on Slide Master button. The Master tab appears on the ribbon. Switches to Slide Master View. Scroll up Slide pane and select the first slide. This the Slide Master. Apply the changes in the slide as you require, like changing theme, inserting pictures, adding text box or shapes, etc. Finally, click on Close Master View button. Now, all newly inserted slides will have the same theme and text as in Slide Master. This is the picture of Slide Master View. There is a number of slides, all the slides converted in Master View. I had applied some effect on this slide, so all these slides looks like this. Viewing the presentation. This is second topic of your chapter. PowerPoint includes different slide views present at View tab. The slide view command are also located at the bottom right of the PowerPoint window. There are 5 main slide view. First is normal view. This is the default view that you see when you first start PowerPoint. It displayed all the slides in thumbnail in the slide pane. This is the picture of normal view, and left side of the window a pane is having that contain slide and outline, and middle of the window normal view, and you can do editing or creating new slide by the normal view. Next, slide sorter view. Slide sorter view sets all the slides in thumbnail form on the screen so that you can see how they look as a whole and apply transition effects and design changes to the whole presentation at once. In this view, all the slides looks like a thumbnail form. Slide sorter view. Third view is outline. Outline view displays the outline of the slides in the slide pane on the left instead of the thumbnail. This view displays only the text on your slide. The current slide is displayed in slide area and the notes are at the bottom. This is the picture of outline view. Left side outline shows of all slide. Fourth view is notes page view. Page view allows you to type notes to the current slide. Notes can be printed or included in the presentation. This is a notes page view. Next is reading view. Reading view is the last view of MS PowerPoint presentation. Reading view allows you to view the presentation in full screen like slideshow view. It shows the controls to browse the slides. You can press F5 key or slideshow button to apply the reading view. This is the picture of reading view. That's all for the day. Today I have completed chapter 2, which I have explained you. Now I am attaching PDF file with this video. You have to do all the work very neatly in your classwork copy. Have a nice day, student. Take care.